So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So last time in our RPG series we started melee combat and we added a sword. So now our character can walk, while walking our character can equip our sword and unequip our sword. So in today's video I'm gonna be fixing some issues with this equipping part. So here as you see now, when I equip the sword we play the same Blendspace that we have for normal walking. So instead of that I'm gonna make the character play another Blendspace when we equip the sword, and our normal Blendspace when we unequip the sword. So simply I'm gonna show you how to change the animation Blendspace in while we are playing the game. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is import some animations. So here in our RPG assets folder, here in the combat folder I added some animations, so you can download them by using the Patreon. So here in assets, models, characters, character 1, animations, combat, and I'll import these animations like this. I'll select them, I'll drag and drop them. I use the night mesh as the skeleton, and I'll click import all. Give it a couple of seconds so it can import the assets to our engine. So now it's done importing the assets. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create, I have imported another jump animation here. So here as you see, this is our jump animation. So I'm gonna create a new montage for this jump one. I'll move it into this and like that. So here I'll create another animation Blendspace. I'll just duplicate this. I'll name this one as night equip animes. Okay. Here I'll as the idle I'll choose the tile. Yeah. Let's open our combat folder. Inside the combat folder, here the idle. I'll use this idle. So yeah, here there's the walking one. So I have actually named these animations just like the ones that we are using here. So to avoid the mistakes, so I'll do it just like this. This might take a while. So here like this, I'll use the running man. Here. Okay, and sprint one should be, it's perfect for now. Yeah. And I'll increase this rate scale a bit. I'll use 0.4, 0.3. Yeah, 0.3 is okay. So as you see, walking, running, and sprinting. Okay, and here in the right strap fork I'll use right this. Okay, here the left strap fork I'll use walk left, and left like this. Okay, here walk backward I'll use walking back. This and like this. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, now we are done setting up the animation Blendspace. So let's get started with the blueprints part. So here in our base character, so here I'll do a slight modification. So I'll collapse this part into a macro. I'll call it equip M, like that. So now we can call it easily. So here in my interface, character actions and animes both, I'll create a new function. I'll call it equip again. Okay, here another one called equip. I'll make a new category for movement, and I'll make this into this, and here I'll create another one for equip, and I put it under the category combat, like that. Here also I put this under the category movement, and this under the category combat. Yeah, like that. Compile this. So here in our base character, I'll call that equip event equip. So here BPI character actions. So when I call this event, whenever this equip one is called, I'll use this macro. And here I forgot that I need input for this, so I'll call it equip. So here also I'll add a new input, equip, like that. So here I will use this like that. And in our animation blueprint, okay, sorry. So here, before going to this, so this is our movement part, normal walking. So here, before going to this, I will do another blend pose by tool. Here I will use the variable equipped. No, not a macro, I need a variable. I'll delete this macro, and here I will add a new variable called equipped. Okay, like this. And I will set the length down to something just like 0.0, not 0.05. I will use 0.4 by 0.4. And if equip is false, this should go play this one. And if equip is true, I will play this one. So here I will take this. And as the speed side, I will use speed side axis. And here forward axis like this, and we're done here. So let's set up the variable. So here I'll call that event equip from our BPI character animes interface. So like this, and I'll set the equipped one like this. Yeah, like this. So here in our BPI, not BPI character actions, in my base character, I'll take a reference to my mesh. I'll get an instance, and I'll call that function equip message from character animes. This should be set to true. No, I'll cut this from this. I'll cut this part, paste it inside my macro. So in my macro, I'll set this to true here, or I'll set this to false. Okay, let's see. Wait, yes, I forgot this. Yes, now it's done. Yeah, I will save all of this. Sorry, so I'll play. I'll play now. I'm working the normal blend space, so now I'll equip. Yeah, now it's working. So now we are working with this animation, and we are printing with the usual animation, and we are running with this animation. So I know this animation looks a bit odd on this character, but for now this is better. So if I unequip, I will work in the normal animation like this. Now we have a smooth transition here as well. So as you see, and here as you see, we have a smooth transition. So I'll fix this jumping part now. So if I'm equipped and I jump, this animation should be changed. So I'm gonna edit some things inside this animation montage. So here I found some problems in this animation montage. Wait, take a close look here. So as you see, this animation starts with something just like running. So as you see, so this should be our jumps. So here this should be our jump start section. I'll add montage section. I'll call it jump start. Start like here. Okay, and here I need a loop. So here this should be our jump loop start. Here I'll add a new montage section. Jump S. No, jump S. I'll rename this to something just like, and name this to S. And here like this, and loop E, and here loop start. I'll set this to loop start. So like this. Oh no, not like that. Okay, here is to loop S. Okay, now that's good. Okay, and here I'll add the land part. Okay, this should be my land. Like that. I'll save. Okay, and like that in my movement graph. So here I'll do a check. So before, okay, I'll run a branch, and here I'll use this equip, and if equip is false, I will play this one, and here I will play, if it is true, I will play this montage, like that. Use this montage, and I should run this one like that. Move this down, and run the jump one again like that. So like that. So here on land also starts, this should be our section name, jump start. here this should be like this. I'll duplicate this like this. Yeah, and set this like this. Yeah. So now it should work. Wait. I'll set this to this montage and I'll click. So now normal one equipped. This one. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's perfectly fine. So now I guess this is it for this video, and in the next video I think I can start working on attacking part. So till that, goodbye.